Hey friends, Tuxx here. I wanted to have a case for my PlayStation Portal, okay? And I wanted something which would be, decent size to hold, cables, the controller, obviously, and other little accessories, maybe like earbuds or something. So I got this one. This is the Amazon best-selling one. So we're gonna check it out together. It looks a little thick, I'll admit. Kind of looks thick, guys, but let's check it out together here. We'll open this up. This is how it comes from Amazon, and I will have a link for this right below. So be sure and click that link to get yours at the best price. So we'll open this up. I really want to make sure it would be good for going into a backpack, and it looks like this feels very tough. Has a good like nylon kind of mesh feel to it. On the front here we have carrying case for PlayStation Portal, PS Portal, and the back here kind of shows what it looks like with the actual PlayStation unit in. Has a little pull tab, and of course the little handle, okay? This unit wasn't terribly expensive. I want to say it was about 20 some bucks or something, so it did come highly recommend though. It seemed like it was #1 on Amazon for PlayStation Portal cases at the time of purchase, so I thought that was a good sign. Here it is in all of its glory. I just have like little buttons kind of here to show where the controller knobs go. Has kind of a PlayStation look to it. This feels kind of cheap, I'll be honest with you. It's rubbery, but just little holes. Maybe there's a better case. If you're the maker or manufacturer of a better case, please reach out to me, because I'd like to have the best case possible. Spare no expense. I do not mind having an expensive case, or paying for it, rather. This right here, I do like this. This is something which I thought was kind of cool, is it does have a little zipper here, so you can put little accessories and cables and stuff in here, a little charger or something. So I do like that. And then it does have a nice soft touch screen cover, so you can put your PlayStation Portal in here, and you see how it fits. Now, because this is kind of a remote unit, it doesn't really have games, so you don't have to worry about that part of it. But let me just show you with the PlayStation Portal here. Let me grab my PS Portal. We'll take this off camera here. It's charging, and you can just set this in here like that. Okay, so very cool. And this just goes down, covers, Velcros in, and like that. Now this is probably a little bigger than it needs to be, because like, look, there's a lot of room in here, so definitely I don't think the controller knobs are gonna get squished or anything. Even in a backpack, this feels like it'd be pretty safe. Maybe you could use some kind of more padding in here. I hate for this to get broken, being these are so hard to come by right now. But you can see it is nicely protected, especially with the little Velcro here covering the screen. That's a pretty cool touch. Okay, I'm digging it.